Okay, so you've got an essay deadline coming up. You've opened the doc, typed the title, maybe even your name. And now you're just sitting there like, where do I even start? Should I look for articles first, make an outline, or just start typing something? If it sounds like you, don't worry. We've all been there. Writing a proper essay can feel overwhelming at first, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'll show you a very simple step-by-step process to write a first-class essay using a tool called Paperpal that helps you with everything from research to writing and editing. Let's get into it. But first, what is a first-class essay and why does it matter? In simple terms, it's an essay that meets the highest academic standards. It doesn't just speak facts. It shows a deep understanding of the topic, strong, clear arguments, reliable sources and citations, logical structure, and clear professional writing. Think of it this way, a first-class essay doesn't just say, this is what I found. It says, here's what I found, here's what it means, and why it matters. And why are these essays important? Because whether you are in school, college, or doing postgrad work, essays make up a huge part of your grade. Writing a solid, well-researched, and well-argued essay can make the difference between an average score and a distinction. Now let's break down how you can write one and how Paperpal can help you with each part of the process. Step 1. Understand the question. Let's say your essay question is, evaluate the effects of social media on teenage mental health. Sounds simple, but you need to understand what is really being asked. The keyword here is evaluate. It means that you can't just mention the pros and cons. You need to analyze, argue the evidence, and maybe even argue a position. But if you're confused about how to interpret the prompt, let's open the brainstorm tool on Paperpal. You can literally just type the prompt and ask, what does this question mean? Give me possible angles or themes I can explore for this topic. Paperpal will break it down, whether that's sleep issues, anxiety, body image, cyberbullying, or more. The first step is all about clarity. If you understand the question well, the rest of the essay will write itself. Step 2. Do some in-depth research. Now that you understand what you are writing about, you need evidence. This is where most people get stuck. You go to multiple databases, open 15 tabs, scroll through PDFs, and still aren't sure what's actually useful. Paperpal simplifies all of that. Just open the AI reference finder, type in your questions to start finding actual sources for your reading and getting deeper into the topic. Type something like, how does social media affect teenage self-esteem? And you'll get a list of peer-reviewed, verified research papers with titles, author names, journal info, even short summaries. You can read abstracts, save useful ones to your library, and revisit them whenever needed. No fake links, just clean and reliable sources. Want to go even faster? Use Paperpal's chat PDF feature and upload any research paper and ask, what are the main findings? What are the limitations? How does this relate to anxiety? This helps you understand the paper without reading every single word. Step 3. Craft a strong thesis statement. Your thesis statement is your essay's backbone. It's a one-sentence summary of your main argument. Here's an example. Social media negatively affects teenage mental health by promoting unrealistic self-comparisons, increasing anxiety, and disrupting sleep patterns. Notice how it's clear, focused, and gives a proper direction to the essay. Step 4. Create a logical structure. Once you've got your thesis and sources, now it's time to build the structure of your essay. Instead of guessing what to write, let Paperpal do the work for you. Go to templates, then head to outlines and select the essay option. Here's what you need to do. First, explain your essay topic in at least 10 to 15 words. Give a clear idea of what the essay is about. Next, you can optionally add supporting notes, things like key arguments, points you want to cover, or even quotes from your research. Then hit generate and done. You'll get a full essay outline tailored to your topic. It includes a suggested structure for your introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. This outline isn't your final draft. Think of it as more of a starting point. You can tweak it later according to whatever your requirement is. And always remember to review AI-generated content to make sure it aligns with your ideas and academic standards. Step 5. Writing your essay. Now that you have your structure, it's time to finally write the essay. Start with the introduction. Hook the reader with a stat or a short example. Explain what the essay will explore and end with your thesis. Then move into the body paragraphs. Each paragraph should start with a clear topic sentence, back it up with research, add your analysis, and connect back to your thesis. For example, Para 1. How social media creates anxiety through constant notifications. Para 2. Role of comparison and influencers in shaping body image. Para 3. Sleep issues caused by late night scrolling. If a sentence feels awkward or you just don't know how to phrase something, just highlight it and use the paraphrase tool to get some help with it. Similarly, build other sections according to the outline you got and take AI's help wherever needed. Step 6. Edit and improve your draft. Once the essay is written, don't just stop there. This is where most students go wrong. They just skip editing. But refining your draft is where an average essay turns into a first class one. Start by running a grammar and language check. It will highlight issues like typos, repetitive words, sentence structure, and even tone or clarity issues. Next up, take care of your citations. If you've used research papers, studies, or quoted anything, you have to cite it. And it has to follow the citation style your journal or professor asked for. And with Paperpal, this is super easy. Just highlight any sentence and click Add Cite. It will instantly suggest the best matching papers from your library or online sources. Select the one you want and it will auto-insert the citation in the correct format. Plus, it automatically generates a reference list at the bottom, so no need to manually copy-paste titles and dates. This alone can save you so much of time. And finally, run a plagiarism check. It's very easy to end up with a sentence that's too close to the original material. But to avoid this, Paperpal's plagiarism check will scan your entire essay, highlight any sections that closely match published material and show you where it's from, so you know what needs rewriting. This step protects your work and your academic reputation. And that's it. You've successfully transformed your blank page into a first-class submission. With Paperpal, you're not just speeding things up, but you're also making your work better at every stage. So to unlock the full potential Paperpal has to offer, make sure you buy the Prime version. And hey, if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Till then, good luck with your essay writing and I'll catch you in the next one.